Let's dive into the two faces of the Tarot's Strength card.
Okay, so the big idea here, real strength isn't about brute force at all.
It's all about this powerful, gentle taming of our own wild nature.
Every symbol here tells a piece of the story, from pure intention to primal instinct.
So when you pull this card upright, it's a sign you've already got this.
The whole point is to master yourself, right? Not try to control other people.
But what happens when this gentle power gets all out right?
When it's reversed, it's not just weakness. It's a total slide into two extremes.
You're either swinging towards cruel domination or collapsing into complete cowardice.
So how does this actually show up? Well, let's start with relationships.
It's the difference between having an open heart and a fearful, controlling grip.
And you know, this exact same dynamic plays out in our professional lives too.
Are you the office bully? Or are you maybe too scared to advocate for yourself?
So really, this card forces you to get honest about your relationship with power.
Are you just being cruel because you're actually terrified of being vulnerable? Or are you calling weakness being nice because you're secretly afraid of your own power?
Seriously, what does dominating people give you that earning their respect doesn't?
And maybe the biggest question of all, what is playing weak really protecting you from?